Eating healthy should be a way of life, and at La Tabla we provide the freshest and finest ingredients that we can find. We make it with love, and we really pride ourselves over quality rather than quantity, so you know you're getting like the best product.
Welcome back to Live Like a Local. We are at Royal Palm Point in Vero Beach at La Tabla, one of my favorite restaurants for clean, healthy food. Come on in.
All right. Let me get for you.
And almond. Emily, thanks so much for sneaking us in early this morning. You guys are always so busy. I finally, about a year ago, had the courage to run in here. And tell us a little bit about the place.
La Tabla, we really pride ourselves in, making like the freshest food possible, including house-made soups, house-made specials daily. We make it really easy for people to order online through our website and our app, and we use like the freshest ingredients possible.
That's what I stumbled upon. You have the organic food, everything's fresh, and it looks like made daily. I can hear them right now.
Yep.
Want to tell me about some of your special dishes that people keep coming back for?
Yeah, so our house-made veggie burgers are very popular.
Had those, very good.
We do them every Tuesday. And then another really popular item that we have are our house-made baked, organic, and grass-fed beef empanadas. We do those every Friday. I'm
secretly addicted to your cookies that I'm not going to call them cookies because they have oats and chia seeds and flax. So, and you have wonderful fresh salads, probably the freshest around.
Oh yeah.
And I find it is so hard to go somewhere and find real ingredients. And I know upon reading the website, it's not a diet, it's just healthy foods.
Exactly, yeah, it's more of a lifestyle.
Yeah. I also love the vibe. It's a little boutique-y feel. We don't have a lot of that around town. You support local businesses. I see right now you have some mats made by someone locally, custom doormats. And what I thought was really neat is I loved your teas, and they come from the tea lady who I interviewed in a past episode. So
she makes great tea blends.
So I love that part about supporting the local business, and there's so much to look at and such a great feel. So thanks for taking time out of your busy morning and squeezing us in. Check out La Tabla. It is one of my local faves.